If it does come back to 31, guys, if it starts to hold that VWAP area, there is a chance to short it, guys. There's a good opportunity there. That 31 areas, I want it to get there, but I could always take a small, just start small. I could always start small. So I feel like I want to 3068. Okay, I want to see if it reacts to 31 area. Okay, come on, go up to 31s. Alright, go up to 31s. No, you don't want to go. I'm gonna try small, guys. 55s. Alright, 60s. 64s. Okay, 64s. I've got it, guys. 64s. Shorting. AMC 64s. I'm not gonna wait for 31s, guys. If it does come back to 31s, I will add more. Taken some out, 94s. I've taken some out. Really good trade. First partial extremely quick. This is what I like to see. Beautiful. So our stop basically is here, just over our break-even spot. This looks good, guys. It could run. AMD. Okay, looks weak, guys. Looks weak. I'm gonna try some, guys. Might be a little bit chase. 116 24s, 24s, 32s, 32s, guys. I am taking some AMD 32 short, 32 shorts. Oh, lovely, beautiful entry. Let me do that later. Okay, looking good. AMD looking good. All right. Okay, guys. Stop over 117s, just over 117. It needs to break that for us to actually take that stop out. Alright, 39s, guys. I just don't like the way it's bouncing. 39s, I know it's a little bit early, but that's my partial. Oh, it's looking good. Let me just concentrate. It's looking really good, guys. You could take another one out as well. 116, sorry, 115, just before 115. So guys, we are in AMC as well. If you missed that, we have actually taken it around 3060s. Let me check. 3064s, I believe. And then we took a partial out, really nice partial, and then stop is break even. So that was a really good trade. Might add, I'm gonna add on AMD, guys. 11594s, 11594s under 116, guys. I've added AMD. Alright, guys, I am out on, not fully out, my partial is out. Second partial taken on AMD, absolutely cracking off a trade. And our AMC, ooh, looking good, guys, under 30. Absolutely beautiful. It's about to go for another round. If that low gets taken out, 29.75s, then 29.60s should get taken out as well. So lovely, beautiful. I want to get ready for another partial on AMC. Just about 29.50s. On AMC, guys, get ready to take some out. Get ready to take some out. 29.50s. 29.50s. Come on. Wash, wash. Yes. Yes. 50s. 54s. 52s. Come on. Get me. Give me fill. 51s. 52s. 52s. Okay, I'll take some out, guys. 52s, guys. 52s. I'm out. Second partial on AMC. Beautiful. Alright, so on this one, guys, on Neo, we are gonna put our stop just over 30, 30, about 30.20. Not just over that 30.20s. So that's our stop. Just making sure it's visible. Alright, guys, I'm gonna put my AMD trailing stop 115.25s. I don't want to get caught in one of those quick reversals. So over here, guys, AMD is just popping up. I don't like this. This is not good in the short term. Basically, long term, having a look at the bigger picture, I'm still short biased on it, but short term, this is reversal. It could be a bigger pullback than my stop, so I'm gonna get stopped out here. Yes, guys, I am out. Let me have a look. 115.25s. 115.25s. I'm out. Around 30.15s, guys. The reason why I didn't get out first is because between VWAP and my stop, there was only 5 cents, 7 cents difference. So that's why I kept it above VWAP. I want to make sure that VWAP breaks and with good momentum. This is bringing some momentum now, so it's reversing quite clearly, and I'm not gonna stay. Even if it's 20% of my position, that's fine. I still managed to get some on the last batch as well, which is great. This has been an amazing trade.